एक्ने, फेशियल हेयर, रैपिड वेट गेन, इरेगुलर पीरियड्स और इनफर्टिलिटी, तो ये सब है सिम्टम्स पीसीओएस के, मीन पॉलीसिस्टिक ओवरी सिंड्रोम। आज मैं 3 ऐसी टिप्स बताने वाली हूँ जो आपको ये सिम्टम्स को रिड्यूस करने में आपकी हेल्प करेगी। नंबर 1, अवॉइड जंक फूड एंड शुगरी फूड आइटम्स लाइक पिज्जाज, बर्गर्स, पेस्ट्रीज, डोनट्स. So these food items can actually increase the insulin resistance in your body, which can worsen your hormone imbalance. So make sure you do avoid these food items. Number 2, eat a high protein and high fiber diet. So make sure you do include good quality of protein in your diet like paneer, tofu, soy chunks, chicken and fish, and pair it with good source of fiber like green vegetables. Number 3 and most important, don't forget to include these supplements in your diet. Number 1, vitamin D, number 2, zinc, and number 3, magnesium. So these supplements will help you reduce the insulin sensitivity in your body, and it will also reduce the inflammation in your body. I hope this helps. So don't forget to save this video and share it with every woman you know who has PCOS. Let's fight it together.